Hey, sweetie pies, welcome to another day in a life as a housewife and a stepmom. I'm so happy that you guys have decided to chime back in with me. We're always going to start off with laundry because that's one of the first things that I like to do before I go downstairs and do anything else like cook or clean up the living room down there or the bathrooms. Anything like that. I just like to get the laundry done because it's on the second floor and it's just easy and convenient. So I always start with that. My skincare routine is pretty basic, straight to the point. I don't really put a lot of products on my face. I don't have acne problems or anything. I just simply use any kind of natural soap, like bar soaps, like black soap, Castile soap, almond, coconut oil, things like that. Right now, I'm just trying some drops under eye drops with vitamin C, and that's been working fine. It has not been breaking out my face. Then I just top it off with either cocoa butter or coconut oil and just call it the day. So I've been thinking about getting a cordless vacuum because I just realized this week how bad I wanted one because I was vacuuming and it was really like inconvenient to keep moving the cord around and pushing the vacuum because it just like really sucks like to the carpet. Is the suction power is great, so I'm not really complaining about that. However, I like the detachable pieces so that I can like take it apart and use the smaller part to vacuum up my couch. And I also like to do car detailing videos as well, and then I can just take it outside and vacuum up the floors. Then we ran out the house to go get some printer paper and some ink for my husband. Gabriella wanted to challenge herself and balance the printer paper on her head, and she achieved it. And I'm so grateful that she did. Bag secure. Then we just headed over down the plaza to TJ Maxx, and I wanted to see their bags and what kind of bag charms do they have. Oh my gosh, I was in love. See you soon, sweetie pies. Bye.